Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu na Oraifite, Jigo. I'm an ancient high priest. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afọ miri emi rụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụgazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu isiokwu njibi bụ advice. Advice to the rich and the poor. Yes. My advice goes this way. Onye bụ onye the rich. Akpọrọ ya n'onu Igbo. Ọgaranya. Meaning onye ọgara. Onye bụ ogbenye. Onye bụ poor. N'ala Igbo, ihe anyị na-akpọ ya bụ ogbenye. Meaning the clan should all contribute and give. Meaning the less privileged in the society. Now, my advice goes this way. That no garage is not because you are too smart. It's not because you are too hardworking. And today I want to address rich people and that is interested. Yes, and the poor people as well. We need each other. Minus the poor in the society, you will not be able to know the rich. Because the rich needs the poor. The poor as well need the rich. The same word you have na abia na obi obodo enwere akaji of enwekwaziri akaji akụ. We need each other. Because even if you amass all the wealth in this world, and they don't have those poor in the society, the bricklayers, the organizers, those people that will be able to do those things which you, as a rich man, cannot do. Chukwu can balance it. Yes. And again, that we are successful today, that we are wealthy, rich, is not because entirely your own making. Yes. Is because it's out of grace. Out of grace and favor followed by their luck. Manad machegwage na Chukwu okike abụrụ for Christmas. Something cost it. Asị na aka aja aja na-ebute ọnụ mmanụ. Ndị Igbo kwukwazie sị na ịgba mbọ dị n'aka mmadụ mana ịbụ ọgaranya si n'aka Chukwu. Gosi na onwere tensi na-eme ka ya bụ ihe bịara mmezu ka a gọzie ọrụ aka gị. Ihe ndị a ka anyị ga-edu well today ka mmepe gị anya ka ife ihe na-eme. Before we dive into today's lecture, echefuna ya na anyị kana na month of November. Our monthly ritual for the month is still ongoing. You can join us anywhere you are all over the world. N'isi ụtụtụ ejegori na temple chụọ aja gọọ for kwubi okwu n'isi ndị sonyela all over the world. The friends of the temple, the children of the temple, members of Eze-Ana Restoration Evangelical Mission and consecrated group. The two I see me every day till the last of the month. The last October, ndị niile sonye na ya enwetago nchịkọta ihe aja na their WhatsApp numbers only. As you all know, we don't share social media ihe ọrụ na social media. Yes. Ma ihe na-achọ ịgwa gị bụ ọmụ na ịchọrọ iso na anya bụ aja. Anyị malitere ịchụ aja anyị niile igwe ihe karịgoro 3 years now. We have massive testimonies. So ọ bụrụ na ịchọrọ iso ya ihe ị ga-eme forward ya 3 prayer requests anyị ga-edebe na altar. Then you make token donation to the account number. Echatizie m na WhatsApp agwa ngị other details we need from you in order to book you. Nwanne chụbakwa aja maka na aja karịrị ọgwụ. WhatsApp number ị ga-eji nweta mbụ 0805 78 37672. I repeat 0805 78 37672. Now, Chukwu okike pụrụ ime ihe niile, I welcome you all in today's lecture. N'oge awa nke eziokwu. As you are joining us, keep sharing our messages, keep inviting your friends to hear from the horse's mouth. As you are sharing our messages, may Chukwu okike pụrụ ime ihe niile bless you abundantly. Now, let's dive into this lecture. It will not be that long. But I want today, by the grace of Chukwu okike pụrụ ime ihe niile, I'm here to let the bandage fall from your eyes for you to begin to see things the way it should be. Today, I want to address the rich and the poor as well. What am I saying? That the rich and the poor is always there in creation, and is for a purpose. Chukwu gesere na ancient book, Umu Israel ya ga-eziga ha na and the land filled with milk and honey. And he also told them that he will never remove poor people in their midst. I can tell you without missing words, all over the world over, there's no country, there's no race you will go and you will not see the poor people. He's always there. That is how nature made it. Now, what I want to tell you, Giwa, let me start with the rich. You that are so successful, since you were born, everything keep moving in the right direction for you. And maybe you did not know that it's all about grace. That all over intelligent you think that you have, that catapulted you from point A to point B. Yes, I agree with you that you are sensible, you are intelligent. But I can also tell you that there is still millions of people out there that are still intelligent, even more intelligent than you, more smarter than you, and more hardworking than you, but they are not there. So I can tell you without missing words that why you are there, up there, is a mixture of grace, and they are lucky. I want to address you that are born with silver spoon to stop looking down on other people. Yes, respect is reciprocal. Don't look at yourself as the almighty you, that the world revolves around you. Let me tell you that we are there today is not because of your might and strength and wisdom and smartness. Yes. But why you are up there is because there is so many things, unseen things that played and necessitated why you are born, in the family you are born, whether rich or poor. If I dive into the spiritual consciousness and tell you what is happening, what he played, and why, have you asked yourself why you were born in the family you are born today? Have you ever asked yourself that questions? Yes. Some of you thought that the reason you were born in the family you are born today is out of mistake. No, far from it. It's not a mistake at all. It's pre-designed by the forces of nature, by karma, by promise. It is a promise they made their ancestors that today you will be born in that their family. But because you don't see beyond your nose, you don't know that some of these things that is happening has been predetermined in the spiritual realm before they played out in this world of gross material. Some of these decisions are made in the spiritual realm, in the ethereal world, and that's what necessitated, and why that is why you reincarnated in that family. You don't know. Yes. Ogwolo ụfọdụ iche iche ndị nna nna gị ha gọrọ. You that are successful, I want to start with you. You are a billionaire. You are multi-millionaire. And you think that you are so smart. My brother, my sister, I want to talk to you. Why you are successful is not because of your oversabi, but because of your father, the sacrifices of your father, or your grandfather, or your great-grandfathers, the sacrifices, the appeasement, the covenant. Some of these families you are looking at today, their fathers, starting from their own father, down to their great-grandfathers, made huge sacrifices. In terms of covenant, they entered in peace with entities of powers. And there is agreement in which that his lineage will never go broke. that he will, that, and he was promised that he's, because of his obubando, na ihe o mere achieve with ụmụ and covenant he entered with ụmụ, that na agbụrụ will be blessed to the 5th generation. So what I can tell you today without missing words is because you are successful today, because your ancestors, your great-grandfathers paid the price. They went into a covenant with the entities of powers within the Ichia, within Daka and Degede, within Dibo, with prosperities and powers. It's an act of covenant that they have paid the price, and they wish that their generation unborn will remain wealthy, that wealth will never depart from their lineage. And that promise was granted. And out of mercy, as a spirit germ in the ethereal world, you're unconscious of your existence. Because of that, you as a spirit germ was permitted. Yes, you were drawn because of your yearnings, what you are carrying as a spirit germ. You were attracted to that family in order to be placed in a family that had the same yearning from you as a spirit germ, because as a spirit germ, it carried the potential of becoming successful. So because of your yearning and longing match with the yearnings of this particular family, you were drawn to that family to reincarnate there. If your eyes is open, you see the mathematics manipulations that happens, the magnetic attraction that happens within the realm of the ethereal realm and the gross material that necessitated why you were born in your family. Because you have not been developed to the level of knowing the reason why you are born in that family. And then there were so many things that all of you that are born in one family has in common. And there were so many things. That's why some family will say there's so many things. This thing that is happening in our family is like it affecting everybody. It's because of that trend. That thing you people have in common is why you people are attracted to one family. I can tell you that here, because you are successful today, is because of the appeasement your great-grandfathers made with your quarry. It is as a covenant your great-grandfather made with your. You that for your family, your people are wealthy and your people will live long. It's as a result of the covenant your fathers or your grandfathers entered in good faith with Eze-Ana. No nama nwuchu, no nama efuchu. Enwere ọgbụgba ndụ dị iche iche ndị nna nna ha enter in good faith maka agbụrụ aka ga-amụ n'iru. So gụnwa onye ọ gaziere, you think not for your wisdom. See what played out. I would like to illustrate it for you to understand what actually played out. What played out is that your grandfathers, your ancestors, has been in covenant with Ndangelu nke Chukwu ndị na-eweta ego, the wealth. Yes. And they entered into agreement na agbụrụ ya na aga-agọzi agbụrụ ya maka ihe aja dị iche iche ndị nna nna gị ha chụrụ wutu ụmụ mmụọ wee kwu ya nkwa na aga-agọzi agbụrụ ya. Now gị nwa na onwe gị as a spirit germ, because no gị nwa na onwe gị na along for family ọ ga-adịrị gị mma, you were attracted to that family. And because no bugo agbụrụ ekwere nkwa na aga-agọziri ha after school, whether your immediate father is there or not, opportunity will provide opportunity that will make you to go and serve a wealthy man at Alaba. And because of the Hebrew, a child of destiny, if you go there to serve your Oga will love you. An opportunity will be presented, maybe for Oga is China, and the other wedding importers will love you because of that singular grace. Some of you met your wealth even when you don't even know God. even when you keep on living in immoralities. It's not by grace. It's not by your own making, but by grace. By grace, ya nwa so n'ọgbụgba ndụ maka na is follow na within the lineage a gosiriri. Ancient book say na onye Chineke ga-emere ebere ka ọ ga-emere ebere, onye Chineke ga-agozi ka ọ ga-agozi. I can tell you directly to your face that why you become successful is because it has been predetermined that for you to see coming from this particular family, because of the price your ancestors have paid, because of a covenant they have already established, and there was this promise to your ancestors that his generation to the 5th generation will be blessed, and na kunuba mention abulia web a covenant Ogbumando, and you happen to be a descendant of that Ogbumando. Iki go into the grace lineage. So you also that thing will be turned into gold. Even the slimness opportunity where others failed, you will come there and succeed. You go to Malaysia, it was of Niego na Malaysia. You go to UK, it was of Niego na UK. Where others went and tremble, you go there and succeed. Okay? It's not because of your smartness. Kusem pako. In fact, even if you need a man pako, you're gonna be. Even if you need a man match, even if you don't care about the less privilege, even if you need to know what you carry, mpako the unime. You don't even care about what others will say or how others feel. The man and nature. Now what can mpako de na here? The too much. Even if the man in nature again gada, man daro. Okay, you are living in a borrowed grace by your lineage. Okay, I can tell you directly to your face that it's because of some of you will say they successful. Even they are all more. They successful. They very wealthy, even without a all more oga. Or because they smart. Or because of their ancestors have paid the price. So stop ranting or feeling like you're on top of this world. That you're I will tell you, if I don't tell you, nobody will tell you. I will tell you as an ancient priest who understand how these things played out in the spiritual realm. That you will be laughing at if you see other people that are born in the low vibration family or in the poor family, they keep paying the price which their fathers didn't pay. You'll be laughing at them. You will think that you are smart. You push it over. He said those things doesn't count. That you'll be bragging that you have not done all those things that you are successful. Okay? You are living in a grace. The grace that was granted your lineage. And you are fortunate to have come to that lineage, and you are benefiting for the grace, already established grace. Even that smart guy that have been working very hard but is not materializing. If that guy is in the same position with you, he will succeed more than you. So stop looking at others that are not working hard. No. I can tell you without missing words, even in the circle of friends, people that are even on Niego, Burkina Faso, I can tell you, now some of those your friends are smarter and more intelligent than you. But you are Odogu, your Gandoga, does not make them useless. So learn how to humble yourself. What I want to tell you, you that are successful today and the Okugade Okuku, you don't even want to give another people an opportunity. Let me ask you, as a child of destiny, as a child of grace, you are living on the mercy and privilege given to your lineage and sacrifice and appeasement done by your great ancestors. If you pass on, as you lay no legacy, you refuse to to contribute more your quota by keep helping the needy, keep spending your money where it matters, helping to spread evangelism, helping to help the least privileged, helping to support evangelism and the good ministrations. You that are seeing it that you don't need to do all those things, I can tell you, time will come when you will exhaust that grace. Yes, it's just a matter of time. Your lineage has been promised that to the 5th generation they will never go broke. That is why you are enjoying. It's not because you are working harder. No. But what I can tell you, do you know that you are succeeding? Your lineage is succeeding. This your brother is in UK or Jopri. This one is in America or Jopri. This one is in China or Jopri. Oga, on some families here get full mansions. Yotaria, nke nwanyị na anụkwa ofu odogwu na Canada. Ego dị n'aka nni n'aka ebe, both the sisters and the brothers everywhere is money. I can tell you that those things, that blessing is from the lineage. If you like, take it or leave it. But what I can tell you is that you need to be continually sowing good seeds. You need to continually doing good. By so doing, you are extending that blessings of your lineage. Because by doing what is needful, you are paying the price that will ensure that that blessing of the lineage will extend from the 5th generation to even to the 10th generation. But by the time you people refuses to take my advice as an ancient priest, time will come when your generation will exhaust those generational blessings. Some generation have their 2nd generation blessing. Some have up to 3rd generation blessings. Some have up to 5th generation blessings. So I don't know the one your generation is enjoying now. Maybe your generation is enjoying the 2nd generation. And if nothing is done, if goodies, living an upright life, appeasement, sacrifices is not extended by you, the descendant of that your grandfather, then after the 2nd generation, the world goes. Because Chukwu is not for the Christmas. Whatever things your family is enjoying now, name it blessings, longevity, wealth, and whatever, is something labored and price paid by ancestors. Time will come when those things will cut. Yes, because you cannot reap what you did not sow. Galatians 6:7 said, and I quote, God can never be mocked. Whatever you sow is what you will reap. So you that you live in is a representative of your ancestors. So if your ancestors have paid the price to the 2nd generation, you as a representative of your ancestors supposed to continue sowing good seed, paying good price, making the sacrifices, so that that covenant, that blessings, that cordial relationship that have been existing between your lineage and the lineage of your ancestors will continue, so that that grace will be extended to more generations. But when you keep on living on evil, you are not sowing anything for your own generation. Because I can tell you that you are a grace. You are living on the grace of your previous generation. But the question is, what legacy, what sacrifice have you paid, or appeasement have you made to ensure that after enjoying the grace that was paid by ancestors, that your own generation and the children unborn will continue extending that generation by living upright life? That is the only thing you do. Live a good life. Keep appeasing. Ask yourself that you were born and you were told that your grandfather was an Odogu. What have you done to understand that your grandfather was Odogu? Have you found out Hemeri Odogu? Have you found out that your grandfather was an also title holder? Have you understand that your grandfather was a traditionalist? that you have been paying homage to Ngudi Benagi, to Akwade de Benagi, Nubi de Benagi. Those practices, those whereby into covenant with entities of powers. Have you don't you know that it's very important for you to find out those things and continue to follow that pattern? Jeremiah chapter 16 verse 6 says, and I quote, so that their family blessing will continue. Yes, take my advice and it shall be well with you. If you don't know, sometimes you'll be useless money. You are spending millions of naira in party. You will be spending millions of money on street girls, taking them that you will change their life, taking them from Dubai to London, from London to America and everything, spending your money on frivolities. These people you are spending, or those girls you are spending money on, don't even appreciate it because they believe that it's because of their body. But instead of you to spend that money on the needy, people that actually need it, people that can actually make impact, people that have platforms where you can, by so they touch lives and make the appeasement, so that the thing will continually bring blessings. You are spending your money on those things, platonic lifestyle that will not even bring every blessing. Because even the lady, the side chick, you are spending money, giving luxury life. We stand it is because of her honey pot that he are spending those money. He can't even say God bless you. Even if he's saying God bless you, deep down here, all they believe in all her cups that attracted you. So therefore, no supernatural blessings, because you did not touch real lives. You touch the world for your selfish gain. Take my advice. And what on those yaji makahawe data. Don't forget that your ancestors, they are not paid the price of that blessings. That you are successful, you are favored, you go to China, the DMD, they are found you worthy, likes you, and give you containers without paying. You think that you are smart? There's other smarter guy that approach the man refuses. It's the blessing that carries from your ancestors that followed you. That's why the man listens to you. There's this star. Those things, that supernatural signs that in your forehead that you do not see. All those stars of richness and greatness, that even a great seer will see that there is this destiny of greatness in you. So what I'm telling you, I have talked to you, the rich people. Don't overstretch your grace. Know that your grace that you came out online in life and you succeed massively is not because you are smart or intelligent. It's because your ancestors paid the price. Unfortunately, there were some people that came from the family when their fathers did not understand how the things work and did not pay the price out of ignorance or knowingly. There are some families that maybe those families, people that came from humble background, they poor. Give me your ears. I can tell you the poor simple means ogbenye. Meaning I will go get and kembo wagranya. Only ogara nyanya. Ogbenye bo onye the clan should contribute and give. Ogbe clan nye give. Now, gwa bo onye no on the side of the less privileged. Agwakwana nge na etuchukwu si eme ihe bụ n'okere ndị ogbenye, ọ mana ga-enwe ogbenye. Mana ana m achọ ịgwa gị nwa bụ onye pụtara nọ, ọ bụrụ na ịnega anya n'elu na from the mother side nothing works. From the father side nothing works. You don't even have a helper. Don't give up. I can tell you one thing as a spiritualist that understand how things work is this. You have the powers to rewrite the history of your family. I can tell you, you have the grace, you have the powers to determine how your future will be. Do you know how your future will be? Your future will be great if you begin today to work out for your future. Stop crying, stop folding arms and one said, no. That you have tried and failed does not mean that you fold your hand and say, in one thing, one law in creation is that whenever you become stagnant and feel that there's nothing you could do, you will be withdrawn from the land of the living, because you hope that even if you're going irrelevant, you are no longer contribute to your quota towards furthering creation. So you become a parasite. That's why if you go to the book of Revelation and they say that they quote, do you know what it means? You are not here or there. You will be a sponge on the book of life. So what am I saying? You can see that the creation does not support laziness or stagnation. So that you have been trying, or you wake up, you were born in a poor home. Nothing, there's nothing was there for you to clamber. Don't give up. Yes. You can be a turning point. One, you must get angry when things are not working out. You must get angry and upset and say, no, enough is enough. Yes, you must prepare yourself. If you cannot do it, look for those people that are real counselors to motivate you. And I have understanding in life that no one of some people, they never make a chi. And she cannot bite unless he's in Chitalo. If he catch in chi now, he did not send Chitalo and Chigata Kogalo. He said, I don't Chitalo and Chigata Kogalo. But if he keep mood, Chiamatal, there's some people on earth, they have this threat like in chi. If you don't push them, they will never do anything. It has been the part and parcel of their lifestyle. So what am I saying? In life, look for those people. That's why I keep hammering on the importance of having a mentor. If you are having challenges that is eating you up, have you talked to somebody? Have you talked to somebody that some certain things that you look impossible in your eyes, but talking to somebody can see that you made up your mind to succeed. Someone like me, if you did not refuse to speak, I will not. You must have this yearning, because yes, you must have this yearning. You must have this urge. You must be angry, and because that you have already, you have this burning desires to make the difference. If any opportunity was given to you, you hit the ground running. But if you are Chitalo, you are dormant, lesbian attitude, everything. Even if opportunity is given to you, you will be still working on that thing like Ogumagara. Saying also Yabo na Okuna ba na Hena Bokon ya kusi DJ Wagara. Ogumagara. Also in the Abuji Makanofia Boko, that is DJ Wagara. So some people are like that. Don't you know that some of these animal traits that don't want to some human being will do the same thing? So what I'm saying, that do something, keep doing the sacrifices, don't give up. Devotion, they are real, devotion, be nice. Then spiritualize your hard working, all those things you are doing, sacrifice. What you work can either no go back and work on that was said, you never do sacrifice go where the ma. By so doing, you will be able to pay the prices of your ancestors, their lineage and unborn lineage. Yes. Obugoruna, you had Romananyagi. You must have paid the price for your future children. I can tell you, nature your future they might be doing today. You hear me lota, because nature can never owe you. You will say, come and reap the fruit, good fruit of your labor. And your generation, because of our fatal, because of your labor, I will bless your generation. Let me stop here. About the Joka, I baraga family. WhatsApp number 0805 7837 I repeat 0805 7837 Let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na ọ dị ihe siri m ike ka Chineke na-apụghị izi m ụzọ m ga-esi luwo ya n'ihi na ọ masịrị ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya. May the blessing of Chukwu be with you all. May you be protected. May you be blessed now and forevermore. Ya gazie, kemesian.